Here we go. Sean's going to try to show Jose how to put a pump together. Isn't that pretty? All painted white. Fresh paint job. Professional rattle can.
Yeah, rebuilt by Tempo.
Yep, there you go.
Alright, they say that it's very important not to touch the
ceramic face
with your fingers. There's an oil and possibly cause a leak. I haven't had it, but it's possible.
Better safe than sorry, right?
Evidently somebody did, that's why they're doing it. Give you that little button. A little lubrication. That part goes into there. Not too hard, don't butch it. It's sensitive. You didn't see this part, but then you got the swiper that goes on there. It helps keep the water from going into down the shaft.
Slinger, right?
Slinger, yep.
Slings the water.
Slinger, flinger. And then you got your little retaining
collar.
That you'll tighten up after you get it done. And then two shorts on the top. And you got the foot. Some people use it, some people don't. It all depends on the vessel. It's your longer bolts.
Go the other way, or that's the way it goes. Longer bolts because you got a plate there now.
Yep. And then they hit the feet.
Yep.
You hit the feet that way.
Yep, that's why I asked you to do that, so that it shows on the video. Because the pump also sticks off the end there, so it counterbalances.
Alright, Butterfingers.
It's catchy.
At least I picked mine up and let leave it sit there.
No, you're in the way, so I can't pick it up.
I'm not like you, I don't leave shit laying everywhere.
You know what that tells you, right? I'm a good employee and I'm a good technician.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Snuggle them up. (9/16) wench.
Yeah. 9/16 and a 7/16. That's all you need. Sometimes a flat.
And one Allen key. For that color. We're going to tighten last bit.
Because the rubber ain't down all the way.
Yeah.
There we go. Stay. She texts you.
There we go. Look at that. That's the way it's supposed to be.
That's what I'm talking about. Grab me a 7/16, please.
Couple grunts and a groan will do.
Yeah.
There you go. See, that's torqued to the proper spec. Yeah, here.
That shit's sharp right there.
They are.
I'm like, huh.
Punctures.
Probably picks. And of course it's a Monday morning.
Yep.
So you put the screws in the bottom, and then you put the label. They'll get screwed into the head, so you know which impeller is put in.
And then one more check, make sure that impeller still spins when it's all tightened down.
It's ready for install.